Welcome back for a new mixed media video tutorial. Today I'm sharing a mixed media tag with wow sparkles and a Brushos background. I cut a tag from craft cardstock and apply white gesso with a palette knife. I dried the background with my heat tool and start adding Brushos. Before I start stamping the background stamp from wow, I make sure that my surface is completely dry. I will use clear gloss embossing powder on it. After I heat set the embossing powder, I go on top with white acrylic paint. I let the paint dry for a minute and then I go in with a baby wipe and wipe away the color from the embossed parts. I die cut the butterfly from cardstock that was covered with double-sided tape and I apply the wow sparkles. After that I run it with the coordinating embossing folder through the big shot. I'm using the wall art stamp set from wow to add more texture to the background. I die cut my title with a Tim Holtz block die and adhere it to the tag. I used some Brushos background paper that I had in my stash. Thanks for joining me today. Please give me a thumb up if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!